Alright, what's up guys? I'm here in my garage. No, actually we're in my room, but we're gonna go ahead and look over ES and NQ, how they performed this week. That's what I want to start doing. So get my daily uploads of how the trading went. And then starting next weekend, either Saturday or Sunday, we'll go review how I performed, what the overall record was for the trade, how many losses, how many wins. Then we'll go over how the market did on the week, and if I have time, maybe some levels that I'm gonna look for. And yeah, that's about it. Just let's move over to that then. Johnny.
Alright, so let's start off by looking at ES. We'll just look at the weekly real quick to see how it performed last week. Here's a last week candle. Every one of these candles represent a week in the market right now, so we'll look at this. If you look up at the top left over here, this area, it shows the OHLC. That's the open, high, low, and close of the day, or of the bar. So we're looking at the weekly. So it opened at 60.2875, closed at 59.8950, which is basically a little over 41 point drop for the week. The high 60.36, low 58.74, which makes for about a 162 point swing, 161.5 swing, which is insane. Like, decent moves throughout the market this week you could have caught, or a lot of potential points could have been caught. So, oh, it shows on the candle too, minus 37.50 for the week, yeah, and it's a 0.62%. So now let's go into the hourly, look at the 1 hour. If we zoom out a bit, we could see, let's see. Nope, not done yet. Yeah, have to wait. I'm almost done, Jay. I'll be right out. And we can look at the hourly here, kind of see how it's been. Uh, right now, it's at a nice, pretty key level. Kind of broke out of it, like right here, I guess you could call it. Oh yeah, if you go right here, about 59.95. Let's see. Look vertical. Add alert. I don't want to alert. Is there any lines you could add here? Let's see. You go right here, I guess. 59.95. Right there. Draw a horizontal line. Yeah, you could kind of see it respecting this line right now. See if we break it to the upside or reject it. Got the 9 EMA flowing with it, so if it breaks over, that could be promising. Let's see. Now, let's go into NQ. Alright, and now let's take a look at NQ. Last week, we're on the weekly candles. Open to 21,711. Close 21,516.50, which is a 182 open and close. Yeah, so minus 182-ish. Is that right? It's about like 195 actually. But yeah, saying at 182, I don't know what I'm looking at wrong here, but yeah, that's open and close. Open 21,711. It's 711 minus 516. Is that not? My math can't be wrong. I'm getting 195. That should be 194.50. I thought. I don't know, but took about a 200 point dump almost, like a drop. So there's that. The high is 21,742, and the low's 29.83. Which is pretty crazy. That's a what, 742 drop plus 17. That's a 759 point drop. Exactly. So that's a 759 point swing, which is pretty insane. You know, a lot of potential points. You could have caught that all the way down, all the way up. Just, yeah, nice to know. So let's look at go down to the hourly, see if we get some levels. Zoom out a bit. I like to click down here, show the last 5 days. Jeez, okay, so right now again, yeah, that's at a pretty semi-key level right here, 573 it looks like. 573. Try to get it right there. This looks like a really nice level. Horizontal line. Let's make it a little less thick. It looks pretty thick, does it not? Density, is there any way to check the density? Oh yeah, thickness, let's get that down to that. Yep, it's way better. And now if we zoom in like this, come on. Let's take a look at all these. So this is the, oh my god, that's the 5 minute. I want it on the hourly. There we go, that makes it a lot easier. I was like, damn, showing the last 5 days looks pretty crazy. There we go, yeah, so it's a little better. So, it looks good like that, yeah. We're at a decent level. So, it's kind of holding above it right now, but coming back, retracing on that line that we have, and you got 9 EMA. So let's see how that does this week. Could bounce this. Start heading on up. See where we have more resistance at. If any. Oh yeah, we got some for sure up here. Let's call it, if you wanted to be quick with it, just do some quick ones. Boom, I'd say right here, 21,6775. Looks like some right here. Looks like some nice resistance if we get there. And that's what I'm looking at for those two. So that's pretty much all we got. So going into this week for trading, I'll be trading on TopStep. I just got 5 accounts, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in trading. You can see they're all fresh, 50,000 flat, no days traded yet. So we'll start that, and they're going to be on Tradeovate. So here we are. This is where I place my trades and take them. You can see the 5 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Manage groups. Let's make us a group. Let's call it 5 to Thrive. Just like making clever little names with the groups. Boom, boom, boom. Bang, bap. Save successfully. We go right here. 5 to Thrive. And the positions I'm going to be doing are ES, whole ESs. I'm going to go 10 contracts, 2 on each. And NQ, 25 contracts, 5 on each. So half of 1 NQ per position. And yeah, we're going to just go for that. Look, it's fighting to try to break 6,000 right now. Not going to trade right now. I'll try to get a trade in the morning or something, but yeah, you'll get that recap tomorrow. That's about it. Let's see how we go for the week. I'll have the record up on the top left of the screen for the week. My expenses have gone up. I paid $250 for this. So.
All right, and this will end this week's recap. Thank you guys for watching. It's getting uploaded extremely late because I thought I knew what I was doing. It took way longer than I thought. It took me like 3 hours, 4 hours to edit this. And yeah, tomorrow we'll be doing the day 2 of 252 trading days, something like that, with those 5 TopStep accounts. So catch you tomorrow with a summary on how that goes. Peace.